Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others work hard their entire lives and never break out of survival mode? Here's the truth. The rich don't just work for money, they collect assets. And once you understand which assets they prioritize, your entire financial future changes. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 assets the rich use to build lifetime wealth, and how you can start building them, even if you're starting with little money. Let's get into it. 1. Cash-flowing businesses. The #1 wealth-building machine for the rich is not stocks, not real estate. It's business ownership. Wealthy people know that a well-run business produces cash flow, tax advantages, equity value, and freedom from trading time for money. Whether it's a digital business, a service-based brand, or an online information business, income-generating businesses create the first major jump from middle class to wealth. Start small, start lean, but start something. 2. Real estate, especially income property. Real estate has created more millionaires in America than any other asset. The rich love real estate because it provides passive income, appreciation, leverage, tax write-offs, and generational stability. Even a simple single-family rental can become a lifetime asset if you hold it long enough. 3. Paper assets, stocks, index funds, ETFs. The rich don't save money, they invest money. Stocks and index funds grow quietly in the background. This is where compound interest kicks in, and over 10, 20, 30 years, it becomes massive. If you want lifetime wealth, automatic investing must be non-negotiable. 4. Intellectual property. This is the most overlooked wealth asset. The rich create assets that pay them over and over again. Books, courses, software, licensing, and digital products. You build it once, and it pays you many times. This is how modern entrepreneurs scale fast in the digital age. 5. Private equity and business ownership stakes. Once the rich have money, they stop putting it in a savings account. Instead, they buy pieces of other businesses. This includes startups, partnerships, angel investing, and buying into existing companies. Owning equity is how the rich create exponential, not linear wealth. 6. High-income skills. Before the rich buy assets, they build skills. A high-income skill acts like a personal ATM: sales, marketing, copywriting, tech skills, and investing skills. Skills increase your income, which allows you to buy more assets. This is how people escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. 7. Personal brand and network. The most powerful asset the rich own isn't physical, it's influence. A strong personal brand leads to business opportunities, higher income, partnerships, speaking engagements, authority, and trust. Your network affects your net worth. Your reputation becomes a multiplier for every other asset. If you want to build lifetime wealth, you must focus on assets, not lifestyle, not trends, not quick money. The average person works for money. The wealthy make money work for them. So start where you are. Build one asset at a time. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the Wealth and Billions channel for more wealth-building strategies, millionaire habits, and financial success content. Your journey to lifetime wealth starts now.